If you see this brown box in front of me, you know exactly what's in it by now, and that is from our guys at Vossen. So, big man Gio needed some new wheels for his daily, and why not actually do one of his old styles from his old Porsches, but little SUV form, change it up with the actual sizing. Yeah, honestly, we were just throwing on some Pirellis. The other key factor that I'll show you before I even open the wheels will be these. So I'm more hyped about these, probably as, if not more, maybe just as hyped as I am about the wheels. Matches the brake calipers. So should already give you a hint of what finish these wheels are. Should say it right there, but Vossen has always been killing it with their center caps, and this is my first time seeing this design, and it's just like every other one. Absolutely insane, top-notch quality, clean as hell. Let's get cracking into this thing because I have not seen these personally yet. So, like I said, these are 23s because SUVs all come factory with 22s or 23s. So bring up that size a little bit, bring down the sidewall a little bit, and you have a wonderful stanced daily. For anyone wondering which wheel this will be, I'll show you in about 10 seconds. But this is a Vossen Gen-01. It's a good looking wheel, so let's pop her out. 5-spoke, it's back. We're back. There's so much 5-spoke, you guys don't even know what's gonna happen with all their vehicles. So, wow, that was loud. This massive piece of metal was going on that Cayenne Turbo GT, and car's murdered out, got yellow calipers, so these should absolutely hit. It's kind of one of my favorite specs, silver on all black. It always looks good, and can't not win with a set of Vossens. The design, the cut, the finish, everything is top notch. Their QC team, top notch. They killed it on the time for these as well. The centers look pretty damn good. So come admire this 23-inch Gen 1 by Vossen, and we'll get some beauty shots after these bad boys are mounted up on some Pirellis and on the car. If you see right behind me, we have the finished product, and that is our Turbo GT on some 23-inch Gen 1 brushed monoblock wheels. That is a mouthful. I'd say it looks pretty damn good. That caliper match to the center lock, solid. So the toss-up, does bronze look better than the brushed? Everyone can put whatever they think in the comments. Brushed does hit, car's murdered out. It looks really good, so I'm sure he's gonna be stoked. He's been dying for another set of 5-spoke wheels, and he's got some 23s on here. So we're gonna take a couple quick clips of it, get this thing on the road, back tucked away so he can go get some ice cream. Shout out to Gio for always making it happen with these crazy wheels, and shout out to Vossen for making the crazy wheels. So if you are looking for wheels like this for your Cayenne, your Nissan, your whatever, BMW, all of it, come to us, legendsautoparts.com. We'll get you right with these wheels. We'll get you sorted up, fitted right, full turn, all of that right here, legendsautoparts.com.